I enlisted the help of my friend, my drone. So the nice thing about a drone is from the comfort of being on the ground, I can actually use the eyes, this camera of the drone, to actually take pictures and video of what that roofline actually looks like. Now, that was my plan for today, and I actually was able to get the video and the pictures. However, I had a little bit of a mishap. and the mishap happened when I was flying this drone. Again, I'm a little bit rusty, haven't flown very often, and it's a little bit breezy today. So if you've ever flown a drone and if there's some wind, you don't have as much control as you'd think you'd like to have control. And so what happened was, you see these big trees back here? Well, the drone got stuck in the tree. It got up there, I got a little disoriented, I was trying to bring everything back down, and there was just nothing directing it away from the tree. So landed in the tree, and fortunately, it fell all the way down, one branch after another branch after another branch, and these protectors on the blades, 3 of them fell off. Fortunately, everything fell to the ground, so I did not lose anything. But I just kept thinking to myself, man, I could barely fly a drone to look at the top of that roof line. If that was me on the roof, I just shudder to think, just a small mistake like that. So the beautiful thing is, even with the mishaps for the drone, I'm able to put it back together. And if I had lost it, I would have been able to get another one very easily. So sometimes you just have to think about how can you accomplish something without creating too much risk for yourself. And so I actually got some pictures, I got some video, everything looks spot on up above me. And now I can actually cut that final check, or actually pay by credit card this time, and move on to the next project. So the gutter guards are in place. And if you wanted to get some insight of the journey that I've had, because this has been a multi-year journey, and figuring out what gutter guards were the best. So I think for the solution I put in place, I'm very happy with them. Very happy with the price and the quality and the way that everything actually turned out. And again, I put my hand into the majority of the work, but again, I hired professionals where it actually made the most sense. So if you wanted to get, I guess, some of those insights as far as how that journey started, well, stay tuned, because I'm going to see if I can start from the beginning and show you, I guess, some of the challenges that I had early on. But again, finally crossed the finish line. So historic and happy day today. Gutter guards are finally on the house. I don't have to worry as much about any of the debris or anything getting in the gutters, but there still is a maintenance component. So don't think just because you have gutter guards that you don't have to do any more maintenance or work on your gutters. That is not true. So stay tuned, more to come. All right, thanks for tuning in. Bye.